So after staying at home a few days, and I couldn't resist it because a couple of my friends decided, 2 or 3 of them were going to this place called Chandni Churani, and I've been there about 3 times. It's in Uttarakhand. It's no resort like if you Google it, but I mean it is a beautiful place, beautiful place. So I said I have to go, and I decided to join them for the weekend. It's not very far, it's about 267 kilometers. It's in the mountains and it's beautiful. So I look forward to this ride, and please join me on this ride like always. Be my pillion and enjoy. I hope I can show you some real great sights. Okay, catch you later. Cheers. So now we are on the canal road. So this road is we have the canal following all the way with us, all the way. So 58 kilometers of this canal road. In front of me are the 2 others. This is SK. He is riding. And that is catching up on Sibesh. And this is Sibesh. We were actually 4 guys. 5 actually, 1 dropped off and the other guy had some brake problems on his KTM. So he's going to get that fixed and come later. So finally we are riding around and decided to stop here. First there was an old Rao, but then we decided this is better, not better, more convenient. So we stopped here and we'll have a bite here. So okay, so let's see what we get to eat here. Cheers. So finally, this is what bypass is this?
I need to check. This is Alaknanda.
ये कौन सा जगह है भाई? हाँ हाँ
जिला मुजफ्फरनगर.
Muzaffarnagar. Okay, so we are in Muzaffarnagar and we decided to take a break here and park the bikes. And I mean, I'm quite sure we could have gone to a better place, but anyway, such is it. So the inside they're not serving in time, so I've asked this guy to make a bread omelette for me, and a fry. Yeah, so he's at it, and that's a bread omelette which he's making. And so we decided to stop here and take a break. Anyway, till now the ride has been great. Cheers. Muzaffarpur, and all these places have come up newly, and look at the traffic. It's bumper to bumper, as if we are in Delhi city. Everyone seems to be heading out to the hills. Well, good for them. He's checking why he stopped. You can see McDonald's, Haldiram. Look at the traffic all piled up. Haveli. Totally. So there's going to be a party up in the hill. Look at this. They are parking so far away. This is the road we have never traveled on, never have come to Chandni Churani. But Google Auntie seems to be getting us through all the back lanes today. But it's nice for a change, because then you don't get, the monotony of the highway. Just one straight road. Here you go to these little villages, and the village road sometimes very interesting and scenic too. So we just crossed Behar and now approaching the foothills. These are not the actual hills, but they are just the foothills. Once we cross Vikas Nagar, then we'll get into the real foothills, or the hills as such. So the small ghat section has started. The little windies which we have been waiting for so long, even if it's little, it's fun. So it's very peaceful riding through this forest. And look at this wonderful forest. I don't know, I think which trees, I don't know. Like you see this car probably was on this side of the gate, so it is just going back. And now we have crossed from UP into Uttarakhand, and look at the forest here. Now look, this is the base. From here it starts, the beauty of the mountains. Beautiful. Now we cross this bridge. So we have started the climb into the hills, and it's a gradual, winding, nice road. Slightly warm, but according to AccuWeather, the temperature in Chakrata in the night is between 4 and 7 degrees, and in the day between 14 and 17 degrees. So it's going to be pretty cool and comfortable, and the nights are going to be nice and cold. So what had happened is my Sena's battery was low, but I realized on this bike I don't have any USB port, unlike the KTM where I have an outlet for a cigarette holder which has USB outlets. So there's no way I can charge it anyway. It is died, but it doesn't matter. It's just that I don't have any music, and I can't hear Google Auntie, but that's not a problem. As I'm climbing, I can feel the weather changing, and the air is getting much cooler and fresher. Feels so good.
Nothing else matters. All I want is for this Christmas to be magical for me and you.
So because I wasn't hearing Google Auntie, I think I overshot by a couple of miles. But in the hill, a couple of miles is quite a lot of time. Anyway, I'm heading back and I shall try and find my way. I noticed that I've overshot because instead of getting shorter, the time to my destination was getting longer. So that's when I said something is fishy. Something is black in the doll. So this was the turn. I had gone a couple of kilometers ahead. You know, there were turns ahead of this. And well, now it's showing me I've totally lost up and down. Finally I've come on this track now. I don't know whether this is the track or no, but I've just taken it because as far as I remember it always had a proper tarmac track there. Lost. I don't know what, Google is just not showing me the right. What I did was Google was taking me all over the place, but actually what had happened is I had overshot the turn. So now Google was showing me a longer way, and so I turned back unfortunately, and I'd already gone past. So I did an up and down and then realized, I stopped the bike and I thought to myself, and I said, now forget it, first go to Chakrata and then track back, because Chandni Churani comes before Chakrata, but it's on another route. And I was on the Chakrata route thinking Chandni Churani will come on the way. So I was on the other route. So now what I did is I went to Chakrata and now I'm back on this route, which is, you know, a really rough road. So, and hopefully I shall get there. But I mean, I would have been there at 2:30, now I'll be there at 4:30. So 2 hours it has cost me. This whole, you know, overshooting. And I basically overshot it because I didn't have, not looking at the map, as I didn't have any sound, you know. So finally I've been literally 5 hours in the seat, literally, and Chandni Churani is just about a kilometer away. So I finally made it, and here I thought I'd be in time for lunch and beer. No such thing. Thanks to a little overshoot, but anyway, such is the thing.
I thought we had it all. This is our story. It's written on the wall of what you did, what I did, and more than a letter to each other. Gonna wipe out what's on my mind.
So this is the place which is Chandni Churani. Finally reached here. Chalo, I'll catch you a little later. Anyway, so crux of the story is I got lost, and finally I made it almost 2 hours late because I was wasting a lot of time going up and down, up and down, up and down. Anyway, this is what I came to. Look at it. It is so beautiful. You can see the mountains right there, you know, beautiful. And this is these are the huts we're staying in, and this is the hut I'm gonna stay in. And it's inside also. It is not much light now, but
Subsequently, when there's light, I'll show you. And of course, Sibesh and SK, they arrived much earlier and relaxed, had lunch. And so quickly we arrived here, and after lunch we plan to now just go and look at the place around here. Beautiful, and this dog is following us. Just imagine, this is how it is, and it is so beautiful. This is what I say, Chani Churani, guys. If you have not been here, you have to. It's so close and not too far. Oh, look at him. See, he's wearing the leopard collar. He's wearing the leopard collar.
She.
Huh? It's a she?
Hello? Aja.
Show me your leopard collar. This is a local leopard collar. Beauty. Beauteous. So now this is the walk up there. Okay, so and she's been following us all the way from the cottages till here. Yeah, and this is the other dirty burger. And here's Sibesh trudging along, and look at the view. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the ride, and do subscribe, and cheers.